Brain Tumor Detection project idea using Python with machine learning. Working suggested modules. Brain tumors can pose significant health challenges, making early detection crucial. Leveraging machine learning via Python offers innovative solutions to automate and enhance the accuracy of brain tumor detection. The project begins with data collection, where images are gathered from diverse datasets, such as MRIs. These images form the foundation for training machine learning models. The pre-processing step is critical, involving techniques such as resizing, normalization, and contrast enhancement to augment the quality of the images, thus aiding in effective model training. For implementing machine learning algorithms, several suggested modules in Python can be employed. Libraries like TensorFlow and Keras are popular choices for building and training neural networks. Alternatively, scikit-learn provides a platform for conventional machine learning algorithms such as SVM and random forests, enabling flexibility based on dataset characteristics. Model selection is vital. Convolutional neural networks, CNNs, are often particularly effective for image classification tasks. By feeding the pre-processed MRI images into the CNN, the model learns to recognize patterns that distinguish between healthy and tumorous tissues. Regular evaluation and validation techniques, including cross-validation methods, ensure the model's performance meets practical standards. After training and validation, the next step revolves around deployment. This is where the model integrates into a user-friendly interface, allowing medical professionals to upload images and receive instant analyses. Here, Flask or Django can be utilized to craft a web application, delivering a seamless experience from input to output for users. Feature importance can be assessed post-implementation to ascertain what attributes significantly influence the model's decisions, providing valuable insights into the detection process. Additionally, ensuring that the model remains interpretable is crucial, facilitating trust among healthcare practitioners. Popular libraries like Lime or SHAP can help elucidate the prediction process, enhancing user understanding of model workings. Ultimately, this brain tumor detection project stands at the intersection of technology and healthcare. With the potential to save lives through early diagnosis, this project showcases the extraordinary impact of machine learning and Python. Implementing it not only fosters technical prowess, but also contributes meaningfully to the medical community, potentially revolutionizing the way brain tumors are detected and treated.